Turbo Toys R Us. 6.
Today I am exceptionally pleased to show you guys this car here that I've known for over 20 years. This is a 1972 Toyota Carina. Belongs to a very good friend of mine who I've known for decades. This swap here is a 3T-G JDM that we're looking to get running again and get this car on the street. This car was already painted, wired, it was running, and it sat for about 2 decades. Now we're gonna do some refurbishing on it, get some things fixed properly, and get this car up and running and in the street. This is a very nice machine. 1972 Toyota Carina. These are the new manifolds that are going to be put on this project. Exceptional welding. GL Fab worked on these. To replace this factory manifold right here and a stock turbo. Also, the intake manifold is going to come out. That fuel rail, throttle body is already off. This is a tank for the 72 Carina. It's already got a sump there for the inline fuel pump. It's got the factory returns and breather lines. I'm gonna mock this up. From here, this goes to the pump, this fitting. The car is already equipped with steel braided lines, so we're gonna get the fitting on here that's compatible. But from here to about here, we're gonna put a lock-off valve. That's the first thing I'm gonna recommend. A lock-off valve. Then after that, we're gonna put a 100 micron filter. Thereafter comes the pump, and then after the pump, we're gonna put a secondary filter in front of the injectors. So the car will be equipped just like mine with a lock-off valve, the pre-pump filter, then the pump, and then post-pump filter, then the injectors. Keep his fuel nice and clean without any sediments. This tank was already treated inside, prepped outside. It's going to be painted before it's put on. That's the pump right there, inline. And the filter. Okay. Steel braided line comes up all the way from in the front. So we're gonna get it all set up where the fittings are on it, and we're ready to go. Stay tuned. Gonna start this baby up real soon.